Are you having issues with lashes lasting on your clients and you feel like it is your glue's fault and you just want to throw it away? Or have you experienced that lashes that you have just applied are literally popping off your client's eyelashes as you are brushing through? Or are your clients complaining that they have actually lost all of their lashes after only 2 days? Stay tuned because I will be giving you quite a few tips on how you can make your clients' lashes last longer. Hi, I am Julia Mann, owner and founder of Lash Tribe. Now, we have all experienced it. So let's start with scenario number 1. Your client is lying on your lash bed, you're applying their lashes. At the end of the application, you are starting to brush through your client's lashes and they're all starting to pop off. The main reason why this can happen is, number 1, you have not prepped the lashes properly. You may have still mascara or any makeup or dirt and debris left on their lashes. It is extremely important that you clean your client's lashes thoroughly before the application of lashes, whether you are doing a full set or you are doing a refill. So you need to use a lash shampoo, really get into those nooks and crannies, and using a brush, applying that cleanser and really trying to get that dirt out and rinsing it really, really well with saline solution or sterile water, making sure there's nothing glistening, otherwise you might have to rinse again. If you have any residue of shampoo, that can also interfere with your attachment. Which brings me to step number 2, attachment issues. If you feel like the lashes are popping off at the end of the application, that means you may have not attached the synthetic lash to the natural lash properly. So really make sure that you have that natural lash and apply that synthetic lash beautifully right on top, on the side, or from underneath. It doesn't really matter where you apply from, as long as you have at least half of the lash extension applied to that natural lash and the attachment bond is nice and smooth and nothing is sticking out in any way, shape or form. The number 3 issue for lashes popping off right at the end of application, and even those clients who complain after 1 or 2 days that they have lost all of their lashes, which could be quite a few, but in their eyes it's all of them, could be that you have just not worked fast enough and the adhesive, while you are going over, dipping and trying to attach it to the natural lash, is already drying or curing on the way to that natural lash. Once you attach that extension on the natural lash, it might hold on for a little bit, but then it will stop its attachment because the outer layer of the adhesive has already dried. So your clients might get the wrong feeling, and you as well. So you and your clients might be in the pickle that, sure, right now the lashes are hanging on, but as soon as they are going home for a day or 2, they're starting to wash their face and use a towel, that those lashes are actually sliding off because the attachment wasn't 100%, because the cure was not finished on the natural lash. It was actually half cured before you got it onto the natural lash. So make sure that your humidity is not too high, your temperature is not too high, and that your adhesive is nice and fresh and you have some time to go from dipping over to the natural lash and it doesn't dry too quickly in between. Another reason why lashes may not last as long could be not your fault but your client's fault. So make sure you talk to them about proper aftercare. Once your clients are at home, they need to wash their lashes at least once a day. I recommend at night. If you have someone with really oily skin, twice a day, morning and night. Why do we do this? Well, lash adhesive can be a little bit temperamental and oils can affect some adhesives that are still on the market today. Most adhesives are pretty good with natural oils, but to be on the safe side, do tell your clients to wash your lashes morning and night to remove all of those natural oils that your skin will start to disperse onto the lashes. Oils and adhesives, not the bestest of friends. Also make sure you tell clients not to use any heavy eye creams or oils on their eyes. Around it is fine. However, throughout the day, things start moving. At nighttime, if they're wearing a heavy eye cream or a heavy moisturizer, it might start to enter the lash line. So to clean their lashes in the morning is probably a good idea as well. If all else fails and everything is perfect and you still don't know why those lashes just aren't lasting as long, sometimes it could be hormonal, that the clients are pregnant, they have had an operation, they are on hormone replacement therapy. So make sure you learn all about the other issues, health issues that could affect eyelash extension retention. However, from my professional opinion and working with thousands of students globally every month, we find that a lot of the time it starts with the student not really using the adhesive correctly and just not working fast enough. So you need to make sure you regulate your humidity and you regulate your temperature. Both work hand in hand. It starts with the humidity. Humidity is what sets or cures or polymerizes the lash adhesive, and heat can speed it up. So you need to find a really good kind of middle ground so that everything works perfectly in harmony. If you would like to get any more lash tips, please comment down below what you would like me to cover in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you know every time I have uploaded a brand new video. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.